playing, inside, outside. That's another thing for the kids. Whenever you need to be playing anywhere, you just gotta be ready for that role, whether it's wherever it is, whether it's goalie or whatever. Just embrace whatever position you are on the field.
What lessons did you learn about resilience and mental toughness from your professional experience so far?
It's helped shape who I am, and it's a big part of me, and I wouldn't change it for anything. All the ups and downs, made me who I am, and also really allowed me to enjoy the highs on the journey and while I'm here.
And last question, how are you enjoying Osfana?
Yeah, come. She asked, how's Osfana?
Osfana is perfect.
It's perfect, right?
Are you from Seattle?
Yeah.
Tell her how old you are.
Me?
Yeah.
I'm 12.
You're 12? Okay, you should be playing right now though, no? Right? Why not?
I dug my old team.
That's your old team?
So which team do you support?
I'll support my old team because they're really good.
What's your old team name?
Well, right now I'm playing for Risa. Like, I'm about to sub in there.
Oh wait, come here, get closer. Are you a fan of Ahmed?
Yes.
So what's your favorite thing about him?
He's a good soccer player.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.